Hi everyone, I am Pragati Agrawal. I am currently pursuing my BTech degree at IIT Kanpur in the Computer Science and Engineering department. I cleared my JEE Advanced in 2022 with an All India rank of 545. I cleared JEE Mains with an All India rank of 355, and I also cleared my 12th boards CBSE with a aggregate percentage of 99.4, and I cleared my JEE in the first attempt, that is 2022 itself. So I would like to share some tips which I found useful during my preparation and which helped me manage competitive exams along with board preparation, and I hope you can use them to your benefit. So I would suggest to make a weekly schedule and which would contain the targets to be done by the end of this week. So it would help you plan out your daily targets so that you can attain whatever you have planned by the end of the week, and you can maybe keep some half an hour at the end of Saturday to just see if the weekly target was met and what should be the plan for the next week, Sunday to Saturday. This kind of schedule can be followed, and then I would like to say that NCRT is a must. So please do focus on NCRT, especially for chemistry. Although I've personally found maths and physics NCRT is also helpful, but 110% for chemistry, you must know each and every line written in the NCRT textbooks, along with the questions given in them, and you might need to even sometimes learn them some parts and understand them, practice them. But yeah, do read NCRT. And for JE, I would say focus on the concepts, not the formulae, because formula might not come to direct application in your exams. Even for JE mains, leave advanced. Advanced may, so you will very rarely find any one question which will be directly from any formula in your notebook. But even in JEE mains, the concept remains the same, but the method through which the formula was derived could have some small modification in the question, through which you might have to derive another formula and use it in your exam. So focus on the concept behind each topic taught to you. And for practicing, practice a lot of questions for each topic to gauge your strength from easy, medium, hard, all three kinds. And I would say do it with speed, so that if you can attain a speed of around 6 questions per hour across all types, easy, medium, hard, and across all subjects, physics, chemistry, maths, that would be really great. So on an average, 6 questions per hour should be the target, as was told to me by my teachers. And practice questions improves your understanding of concepts, as I stress again. And practicing questions apart from the textbook questions for each chapter, I would say would a great way would be giving mock tests, because mock tests are a combined way to assess the overall performance across all three subjects. Sometimes we may feel that mock tests are very like we may think that we should not give, because if we perform bad, then our teachers, our parents, they might think that we are not doing great, we are not studying, and due to the fear we might want to skip mock tests. But I would say that these are just practice sessions. This is only meant to improve your final performance, and it won't affect in any way current the current thought of your parents or teachers for you. They might say, but if you think that you are doing well, you are preparing, you are giving your best, just don't see the results of mock tests so seriously, but do give mock tests, because they help you improve your accuracy and speed under pressure, and they help you think how to choose questions during exam. This is important. Coming to the boards part of it, I would say that physics, chemistry, and maths would be easier because the questions won't be difficult as such, but the presentation matters. So, write neatly, try to draw diagrams as much as possible in any paper, and try to maintain legibility and clear underlining and highlighting the important points, bullet points, etc. in your question answers. Also, I would recommend to solve CBSE sample papers with CBSE releases for each board paper. So just one day before the exam, you can like sit for 3 hours and solve that board paper, and that will help you understand that how well you might write the next day. So that will give you an improvement, a feedback loop for yourself, that what you should not do during your actual board exam. And this you can even do for the JEE mock tests also. So like you can set up at least two mock tests per month, like every alternate Sundays you can give one mock test for 3 hours. And when your syllabus is covered good enough, I would say go to at least 4 mock tests per month, which is like every Sunday one mock test, and try to give it in the same time frame, like 9 to 12 or 2 to 5. This will be good. And if you are giving an advanced, give it both parts, 9 to 12 and the same day 2 to 5, because 6 hours continuous is a big thing to focus. So that will give you practice. On the same day you have performed your best 9 to 12, and then you took a break for 2 hours, and then you sat again for 2 to 5 giving a part 2. Try to give in this manner and try to improve your performance. Apart from that, I would say that take care of yourself, take good rest, good sleep, take care of your mental health, your physical health, and also eat good so that you feel better. Avoid comparison with your peers. I know it is a competitive exam, but at the end, your performance will matter. So do not feel low regarding that. Stay motivated. All the best.